please pause the video. Only a small percentage of you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel really helps me out. And while you're at it, smash that like button. Now let's get on with the show. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review Studio, and welcome back to the FanHome build the Millennium Falcon. Now in the previous video, the last video I just did, I did show you guys how I wired up the first PCB board and how I neatened up all the wires for that. Now one of my viewers asked if I would do a short video on how I did this, and I'll go ahead and do that for you so you can see how everything looks here. I'll give you a close-up view on where I put all the tie straps. Now in the process, I did make a mistake with the tie straps, and I corrected that with a couple of red ones just to show you where my mistake was. So right here on top, you can see I got the tie strap holding that bundle together there, and that's basically most of these wires right here. But really that tie strap needed to go through the frame. Can you see that? It needed to go through the frame. Let me turn this over, and you can see how it's going through the frame. So I put a red one on there to show you that on how it should go. Okay, and continuing on, same thing down here. I put the tie strap on the bundle, but I didn't put it through the frame. You need to put it through the frame. Now remember, I left all the tie straps loose so the wires can be moved around still in case I need to do any adjustments to the wires. So all the tie straps in this case are loose with the ones I installed, including this one right here, right there. It's hard to see. Okay, and you can see that tie strap right there, and then we have a tie strap here. Everything's loose still. I didn't cinch them down tight. I'll cinch them down later. And then continuing on over, we got one right here, and it's loose on this bundle and this bundle. So everything is tie strap in place except for a couple of them. We're continuing on the other side of the saucer here, and we have a couple of wires here that are still opened up because they haven't been installed yet. But there you go. I hope that's helpful to you. And I'll post this up as a follow-up to the last build. I'm still waiting for my next shipment to show up, and when it does, I'll get it built and we'll get this baby rolling. I'm really enjoying it. And don't forget to head over to FanHome and sign up for this build today. I know they are taking orders for it as I speak. So with that, happy modeling everybody, and take care.